NatWest Bank UK Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think all high street banks offer the same experience, but NatWest combines digital convenience with traditional banking services. NatWest offers current accounts, savings, mortgages, personal loans, and business banking. One standout feature is its mobile app, which includes instant notifications, contactless payments, budgeting tools, and the ability to freeze or unfreeze cards instantly. Most people get this wrong. They assume digital banking is enough. The surprising truth is that NatWest still maintains hundreds of branches for in-person service, providing a hybrid approach for customers who want flexibility. The bank also offers customer support via phone, chat, and social media. Another advantage is its innovative products. NatWest offers overdraft protection, personalized lending options, and rewards programs. Features like the Learning Hub and Budgeting Insights help customers make informed financial decisions. However, there are considerations. Fees may apply on overdrafts, international payments, and certain account types. Interest rates on savings accounts are moderate, so customers seeking high returns should compare alternatives. In conclusion, NatWest Bank UK is reliable for customers seeking a combination of digital convenience, physical branch access, and tailored financial products. It works best for everyday banking, but be aware of fees and terms. Subscribe for more honest bank reviews before choosing your next UK account.